Hi there, thanks again for joining us at Essential RC, coming to you today with another review. I'm Carl and this is my man cave of a shed, as you can see all my models in the background. But of course today's focus is our review of this, the ToolKitRC MC8. Very handy little gadget with lots of interesting features that anyone should really have in their flight box. Very useful device. We'll go into it in more detail shortly, but if this is something that you're interested in, the product link will be in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we have the ToolKitRC MC8 in its box coming out. You see it's a very nice, neat little unit. Show that to you there. You've got your balance port for either receiver or servo testing, USB output and inputs, and your battery input. Inside the box you have USB lead, a quick start guide and a screen protector. Well, let's have a look at some of the features. Okay, so we'll take a look at the first feature this device can do. So we plug in our lipo. And there you can see, hopefully on the screen, if it will focus, that we are now balancing. So we can use this as a cell checker to see what our voltages are of each cell. But it will also balance the pack for us. So say for example you've got a battery that's particularly out of balance, rather than taking up a channel on your charger while you're charging a battery, you could just put a battery on this to balance it for you. Very convenient. Now I think this is probably my personal favourite feature of this ToolKitRC M8. We can plug in virtually any USB device, and from our power coming from our lipo we can charge our USB devices. So for example here I can charge my watch. So that's really useful actually, because so many devices now are USB, and how often do you come home from the flying field with your lipo either more charge in it than what you would like, so then you have to discharge it and then you're just wasting away energy. Instead of wasting that energy, why not use it to charge a device that you will be charging anyway? So another brilliant feature. Okay, so here's another feature. As you can see, I have a servo plugged into the M8 now, MC8 sorry, and now we can test if it's working with this slider. You can see that servo, it's working fine. And now if we try this servo that recently went wrong in a model, don't know if you can hear that buzzing. It's trying, but nothing. So that could save you a model by testing the servo and proving it's a dud and time for the bin. And last but not least, another feature of this lovely device, you can also test your receiver output to identify if you have any problems on a channel, if you've been having particular interference issues or something not quite right. You can actually plug it in and test it. Unfortunately I don't have a lead to connect these two together, but say for example you had an S-bus receiver, you could plug it directly into the port there, and then on the screen you could waggle your sticks and it would tell you what is working and what isn't. You can also test your fail-safe here by turning off your transmitter, and then you'll see on the bottom right there that fail-safe should then go to on, identifying that your fail-safe is working as it should. So there we go. that's all the features of the ToolKitRC MC8. Very useful device. I will personally probably mostly use the USB charging facility. That, I think, is probably its best feature, and it's always handy to have a cell checker and balancer in your pocket as well. But as I was saying, so often you come home from the field, you've got a pack or two that's still got plenty of charge, and what do you do with that? You just discharge it. You waste away all that energy. So why not? You charge your phone anyway, you charge your watch anyway, you charge tablets anyway. So many USB devices we charge these days. So if you've got spare power, why not use it? So that's probably what I will mostly be using this for. So that's it for this review. Thanks for tuning in as always. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a like. Always helps our videos get out there more. If you've liked it, chances are somebody else will as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we'll see you again soon for some more videos. Cheers.